Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make pani puri. Let's see the ingredients. Here I am taking 1 cup of suji rava, 2 teaspoon wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 by 4 teaspoon baking soda. Let's start. Here I am taking suji rava and then wheat flour, salt and baking soda. Mix all the ingredients well and by adding little water make into a soft dough. Now dough is ready. It is little bit soft. After 15 minutes water will be absorbed by the rava and it will become little bit dry. Cover with a wet cloth and keep aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the dough. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. By applying little oil, roll into like a chapati. It should not be very thick or thin. After making into a chapati, take any cap or glass round one and do like this round shapes. And take into a plate. In the same way you need to do with the rest of the dough. When you are doing this, you need to cover with the wet cloth. It is mandatory. Now we will do deep fry. Oil is ready for deep fry. Add slowly one by one. You need to just fry like a puri. It should be light golden color. Those who can't do this puri, you can buy it from outside. Puris will be available, ready-made puris will be available in the supermarkets. Now puri is ready. Now we will do stuffing. For stuffing, take a bowl. Here I am taking 2 boiled and smashed potatoes. And this yellow peas, I have soaked this for 4 hours. And also you need to cook for 3 whistles, 3 to 4 whistles in pressure cooker. 1 chopped onions. 1 teaspoon jeera powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon dhania powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon salt. Last, coriander leaves. Mix all the ingredients well. Now stuffing is ready. We will do pani. Take a jar. Add half cup mint leaves. Half cup coriander leaves. 2 green chilies. Half inch ginger. By adding little water, make into a paste. Now paste is ready. We will take into a bowl. Pour 2 big glasses of water. Add 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 cup of tamarind juice, and half lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients very well. Now rasam is ready. Now our yummy pani puri is ready.